Transforming your ideas into breathtaking generated content starts with mastering the art of the prompt within Higgsfield AI. Let's dive into how you can wield the power of prompts to unlock Higgsfield AI's full creative potential. Our journey begins with understanding the building blocks of effective prompts. Think of prompts as your instructions. A clear roadmap for the AI. The more specific and descriptive you are, the better the AI can interpret your vision. Higgsfield AI thrives on variety, and so should your prompts. We'll explore different prompt types, from simple keyword-based requests that offer broad creative freedom to detailed, descriptive prompts that guide the AI towards a very specific outcome. For instance, instead of just landscape, try a serene mountain vista at dawn with mist gently rising from the valleys, bathed in golden light. Optimization is key to refining your creative output. This often involves experimenting with stylistic parameters. Higgsfield AI allows you to adjust aspects like artistic style, color palettes, or even emotional tone. Think about adding phrases like "in the style of Van Gogh" or "with a melancholic atmosphere" to steer the generation towards a desired aesthetic. Don't be afraid to iterate. The first prompt might not yield exactly what you envision. Treat prompt creation as a dialogue with the AI. Analyze the results, identify what's missing or what could be improved, and then adjust your prompt accordingly. Perhaps you need to add more detail about textures, lighting, or even the intended mood. By understanding and implementing these strategies for diverse prompt types and continuous optimization, you'll move beyond generic outputs and begin crafting truly unique content that reflects your creative vision. Start experimenting today and see what masterpiece you can generate with Higgsfield AI.